How to fix Life360 app not working on Android and iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve issues with the Life360 app. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and restart your device. This restarts the background processes and resolves the minor errors, bugs, and glitches. Then after, check your internet connection and location services. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and that location services are enabled. After this, you need to try updating the Life360 application. For that, check Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. And then search for available updates on Life360 app and install it on your device. After that, tap and hold onto the Life360 application. Tap on the eye icon to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage and then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you're using iPhone, try uploading the app. For that, go to Settings and then go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage and click on Life360 and upload the app and then reinstall it using the App Store. Also, make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app and ensure that the location, storage, and the background activity permissions are specifically enabled. And also disable the battery saver and VPN, as these features can interfere with the background updates and GPS tracking. Last but not least, try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And if the issue persists, you can contact the Life360 support for the app or at support.life360.com. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.